Hello, my name is Benedicto. Course English 1. Instructor Wilson Quintero. Activity Tourist Place Presentation. The place is Cartagena. It is in Bolívar, Colombia. It is beautiful, colorful, historic and exciting. In this place, there are colonial houses, beaches, wall and cars. One important element is Castillo de San Felipe. It is very big, historic and impressive. This place makes me feel happy and proud. I chose this place because it is famous, historic, and I love the sea.